While I'm preparing three big videos investigations for you, this Sunday I was inspired by the beautiful clouds on my island, and I decided to make one of my favorite creamy desserts, a classic crème brûlée. I deeply study classic French and European desserts. I truly believe that this academic base helps a pastry chef become a top professional and create unique textures. Three countries still argue about who invented crème brûlée: England, Spain, and France. But it was a French chef, François Massial, who first wrote down this recipe in 1691. I love this dessert because it is very flexible. You can make it elegant by infusing ginger, lime, or even olive oil. Today we will make the pure classic version. We need very few ingredients here. Only heavy cream, egg yolks, sugar and natural vanilla. It is the natural vanilla that makes this dessert truly premium. But it is most important to understand the physics and chemistry of the process. The main control point is temperature. We heat the cream strictly to 60 degrees Celsius to start a gentle denaturation of proteins, but not let them curdle. If the mix gets too hot, the yolks will cook instantly, and you will get a sweet omelette instead of silky cream. Pour the cream in a thin stream, mixing gently. Never whisk it. Air is the enemy of crème brûlée. Always strain the mix and let it rest. This is the secret of a texture without any lumps. I'm using small molds, but I will put the baking time for standard Ramekins in the description. To avoid bubbles, which ruin the top layer during baking, tap the mold gently or use a toothpick or carefully pass a blowtorch flame over them. The local heat makes the air expand and the bubbles pop instantly. A water bath at 80 degrees creates the perfect body for this dessert. Pour water up to 60 or 70% of the mold height. It works as the temperature shield for oven baking. My mini molds bake for only 20 minutes. The edges must be set and the center should jiggle slightly like jelly. After baking, let it cool completely and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or better overnight. Look at this beautiful texture. As I said, natural vanilla gives a truly premium look. Please write in the comments if you would like to see different versions of this dessert. Making citrus or other complex flavors requires a bit more knowledge about how ingredients behave. But we can make ginger and lime, lavender or berry versions. Write in the comments which flavors you want to see. If enough people are interested, I will make a short video about perfect pairings and technical details. And now, the most satisfying part, the caramel crust. My personal secret is mixing white sugar and demerara sugar. Together, they give the perfect crunch and deep flavor. A professional trick: caramelize the crust in 2 steps. Sprinkle a very thin layer of sugar, burn it, let it set for a second, and repeat. This creates a beautifully even, crispy top. The final result: a thin caramel crust on top and a stunningly delicate cream inside, with a rich vanilla taste and aroma. Now I'm decorating the dessert. My friends, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because right now I'm finishing something interesting to my community. This is a very special, detailed content that I'm making for all my subscribers. You definitely don't want to miss it. Leave your comments, share your thoughts, and a huge thanks to everyone who supports me with likes, warm words, super thanks and the hype button. You actually help my channel grow and let me shoot more detailed videos for you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next week.